I'm going to show you today how you can take your voice, clone it using AI, and then transcripting any text you want into your own voice directly. So we go to Resemble.ai, right? Then clone your voice for free. Complete the quick sign-up process. I've already done that. And then click record. I consent to having my voice cloned by Resemble. And then submit. I wouldn't have let anything come between. Submit. You wouldn't have done that if there had not been something. I'm going to show you today how you can. He's afraid of being seen, being found. Her maid was standing by the garden gate, looking for her. She had done all that was possible. It was the seal upon the bond. The odds between her and her adversary were even. She would have to break her word to Millie. She had a light burning in her room till morning, for she was afraid of sleep. Her gift, her secret, was powerless now against the pursuer. A terrified bird flew out of the hedge, no further than a flight in front of her. When she had turned the corner. As she turned the corner of the wood, she was brought suddenly in sight of the valley. Now, her fear, which had become almost hatred, was transferred to this person. Now, her fear, which had become almost hatred, was transferred to his person. Man, it's so long. Now, her fear, which had become almost hatred, was transferred to his person. What she saw was the empty shell of him. She went on and became. No, let's retry. She went on and came to the gate of the wood. She paused on the bridge and looked down the valley. It was perfect, following a perfect day. She waited for her hour between sunset and twilight. She told herself that, after all, her fear had done no harm. She bound to accept a statement. She doesn't care a rap about me. They had sat down on the couch in the corner so that they faced each other. She begged him to write and tell her that he was well. We get an email when it's ready to use. The free plan only supports training on 25 samples. Already then. So this was difficult enough. Now, we're going to wait for the email. And once the email is ready, we're going to listen to the outcome, to the product of our recording. Let's see. So, good news. We just received an email that the AI voice is ready to use. So let's check it out. I'm going to go right here. Basically, it's telling me what to do. Projects, default, GIF. I like that. They really stupidify everything for you to make it super easy, super intuitive. Let's go, let's go. All right, so we got default Resemble project. All right. Okay, not interesting. Let's go. New project, new voice, testing, new AI voice, create, new clip. Now, I'm curious to see how it sounds. Really curious. Because this should be my voice in here. So let's see how it goes. And testing, cloning your own voice and automatically scripting text. Actually, let's make it more fun. I am the real Tom. This is my real voice. Let's see how it sounds. Make an introduction text for Donald Trump. 200 characters. Check it out.
I'm Donald Trump, former U.S. president and renowned real estate mogul. Never one to shy from controversy or a challenge.
For news 500 of him coming home. All right. Now, I'm just messing around here, guys, but I hope you truly understand the potential and where this can go. If I understood correctly, man, we can also do it in different languages. Check it out. boom. Not too slow, but it's dope as fuck. It's taking a long time for 400 characters.
I'm Al Bundy, shoe selling extraordinaire, surviving another day in the shoe store.
Now, I guess, as you see, we can emphasize. We can use emotion. Okay. Now I can make myself sound happy or angry. Let's make it angry. Apply. This is just wild, isn't it? Well,
I'm Al Bundy, shoe selling extraordinaire, surviving another day in the shoe store. I'm now trudging through the door of my humble abode. My uniform of despair, polo shirt and khakis creased and worn from a hard day's work. I dream of touchdowns scored in my glory days at Pog High as I eye the worn-out couch, my loyal companion. A sigh escapes my lips. Time to trade she was for family chaos. But hey,
no, so this one isn't as good, but it just shows the potential and wow. So I'm gonna leave a link for you down below the video where you can sign up and try the tool for yourself. Until next time.